Yes, sir.
Can start.
Okay, sir. A very good evening to one and all present over here. Respected Dadaji, Chairman sir, Pro VC ma'am, Director ma'am, our principal sir, Professor Dr. S. Nagarajan, all HODs, dear colleagues, and my dear alumni. I, Abhiksha Banerjee Mari, Senior Assistant Professor of ECE Department, take this privilege to welcome you all in the second virtual alumni meet organized by Surendra Institute of Engineering Management, Siliguri, in association with the Alumni Forum, SIEM Alumni Forum. Without taking much time, I would request our principal sir, Dr. S. Nagarajan, and all the HODs to start the event by lighting the diya.
मङ्गलं कल्याणं आरोग्यं सम्पदः शुभं कुरुतं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुतं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
Now I will request our HOD EC Department, Ritam Datta, to give the welcome address.
Thank you. Thank you, Abhisha madam. My audio is clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
absolutely.
Okay, okay. Respected Dadaji, respected Chairman sir, respected Director madam, respected Principal sir, my dear colleagues, and all of our alumni, a very good evening. I feel deeply honored being present in this virtual room here today as well as very nostalgic at getting the privilege of welcoming you all here. It has been so many years. I still remember my first batch 2009 2013, and after that, many years moved ahead. Your faces are still so fresh. Dear alumni, a very warm welcome to all of you to this second SIM alumni meet. I appreciate this idea of alumni meet, which creates a special bonding between the students who have passed out and who have established themselves already in the big outside world. I believe an alumni meet is a platform for you all to meet your peers, your teachers, your mentors, and revive the contacts. The Institute started its journey in 2009. We started our first academic class on 3rd August 2009. It got successfully completed. It's 11 years now. My dear alumni, we started with the best faculty, technical assistants, and admin support staffs. And I feel proud to say over the years that we have scaled further heights of success and glory, earning a credible name in the education world. Our past results have shown our academic graph has been steadily going up, I believe. We have embarked on a mission to empower all sections of society with the light of knowledge. Our concern has wide parameters such as making our students not only a graduates, but also apart from that, a good citizens at the level of city, state, nation, in fact, at the entire globe. Our concern is whether we as teachers are able to create the qualities in you of respect, empathy, love, tolerance, honesty, and above all, humanity. With this, I, Mr. Ritam Datta, heading the Department of ECE SIM, once again welcome all of our beloved alumni to this second virtual meet. Thank you. Welcome all of you. Ma'am, your mic.
Unmute.
Stop video कर दिया
So now I will move to the next program. As my HOD has already shared his thought that he appreciate the initiative of this alumni meet. So I must say that our principal sir has started this initiative. So now I would request our principal, Dr. S. Nagarajan, to address all of us.
Thank you, Abhisha ma'am. Good evening to honored all present over here. The concept of alumni association evolved for needs from both the ends, that is academicians and professionals. The aim of building a bridge between college life and career life, so that the fresher graduates are made proactive to face the current challenges of competitive professional world. Both the ends shall work hand in hand to help each other for achieving the goal. The idea took shape and formation of Alumni Association turned into reality in our campus. It was a pleasure to see you all gathered together in such a big number coming from different parts of the country. Let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Nagarajan, principal. I did my BA Electrical Engineering between 94-98 under Madras University, basically from Tamil Nadu. And subsequently, I have completed my MTech Power Systems and PhD from Electrical Machines and Drives from Anna University. I have published 60 technical articles in various national and international journals. And right now, I'm guiding 5 research scholars in the area of renewable energy sources and power electronics converter. I'm a recognized research supervisor also. With this small introduction, once again, I wholeheartedly welcome you all for the second virtual alumni meet of Forendra Institute of Engineering and Management, Siliguri. I would like to welcome our governing body members of SIM, Mr. Ramlas Agarwal, President of Vidya Bharati Foundation, and Mrs. Kamlesh Agarwal, Pro VC, Delhi Public School, Siliguri. Mr. Sarat Agarwal, sir, Chairman, SIM, and Mrs. Snigdha Agarwal, Director, SIM. I convey my sincere gratitude for their constant support and encouragement for the welfare of the institution. I feel deeply honored today, as well as privileged to welcome you all here. It has been so many years, your faces are still so fresh. Dear graduates, a very warm welcome to all of you to this second virtual alumni meet of our institution. Not only is it a moment of happiness and nostalgia for us, but also an opportunity to reflect on our learning and achievements. Our alumni have established themselves as successful individuals in almost every field of their lives, and we could not be any prouder. I'm delighted to reach out to you through this virtual meet.
Sorry to interrupt you, sir. Someone kindly
mute yourself.
mic. Some background noise is coming.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I'm delighted to reach out to you through this virtual meet. All of us are aware SIM is an illustrious institution that has positively shaped the lives of those that entered in our campus. It is a fountainhead of support to many an underprivileged student who is in need of education and moral support. The alumni of SIM are spread out across the world, holding positions of eminence. I would like to appeal to you to take part in different activities of the Alumni Association, as I am sure that the alumni can play a significant role in the institution building. At this juncture, I would like to mention this quote: "Your time is limited, so don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most importantly, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. Let us therefore be discreet and righteous in thought, word, deed, and strive to uphold SIM tradition of justice, truth and love in all our endeavors." It is my utmost pleasure to thank you all once again from the depth of my heart, and to look forward earnestly to your continuing involvement in the coming years as we march again in unison towards the new zenith of achievement. I take this opportunity to request the entire alumni of SIM to keep this valued association strong so as to help elevate the quality of academic programs and various other facets of our operation. It is my belief that this will go a long way in ensuring constant improvement to the institution, your alma mater, and culminate in exemplary standards of services to our present and past student community. I am looking forward to an active participation from you all in all our future events of Alumni Forum. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Principal Sir. Now I would request Professor T.K. Sen, HOD Civil Engineering Department, to introduce our chief guest, Mr. Ravikant Srivastav. Tapan sir?
Thank you, Vibsha madam.
Yes, sir.
Very good evening to all alumni and the guests present over here today evening. It is a very auspicious day for us because it's a second alumni meet, and after a long time we are just meeting together on virtual mode. It's my privilege, my great happiness. I express my great happiness to welcome Mr. Ravikant Srivastav, first civil engineering first batch 2010 to 14. It was open, department open 2010, and he is the topper, joint topper, and because of the Ruchi Singhal also, she was the topper, and Ravikant Srivastav, both the topper in the civil engineering department 2014 batch. And Ravikant, actually this batch 2014 pass out batch, they're a very good batch, and after that also continuously so many years we got the very good students. Ravikant, actually he's now they are grown up quite, and after completing graduation under Macau, at the time WBUT was there, and then after that he completed his masters from Patna IIT, and from Patna IIT when he completed, then he joined 2016 to 2018 probably, 16 and 17. He was assistant professor in IIST Barampur, Odisha. Very good track record. Then after that, he joined IIT Gandhinagar in Gujarat, 2017 onwards. Now he is the senior research scholar in IIT Gandhinagar, and he published research paper in the international journals. Two number of international conferences he attended, one, and he's basically from North Bengal area. His hometown is Kalimpong, and it's my further I repeat, it's my great happiness to welcome Ravikant today as a chief guest. And over to Ravikant. Thank you, Ravikant.
Thank you, sir, for such a nice introduction. I'm extremely excited and emotional moment to see my beloved faculties after a long time. Professor Tapan sir, Malay sir, Tara Shankar sir, Subhadeep sir, Ritam sir, Abhipsa ma'am, Papri ma'am. You might not have recognized me, but I cannot forget you in my entire life, because whatever the foundation, strong foundation you have given to me, like they have helped me a lot throughout my academic career. Hearty good evening to principal sir, all the respected faculty members, my dear friends. I'm very happy to see my friends here, Vishal Singh, Suchismita, Ankit, and a number of recognized faces. I'm extremely happy to see all of you. It's an absolute honor to be here today. Truth must be told. Like when Professor Sen, Tapan sir mailed me regarding this invite, I thought like why they are texting, why they are mailing me regarding this. Because I'm just a child in front of them and have grown up, have learned everything under their shadow. So, again, it's an absolute honor to me to be here. Around 7 years ago, I was there framing beautiful dreams, learning courses, doing experiments. It was the best part of my life because we built our basics there. We built the foundation, and once the foundation is good, we can construct any mega structures above it. We joined engineering with great enthusiasm, and so there were certain things in mind, like we are going to do some extraordinary things. We are going to learn some unique technical skills which will make us ahead of the normal human being, and that I think SIM has given us. However, at certain point of time, what happens is we that kind of enthusiasm diminishes just because we feel some difficulties uh, in terms of course or while learning something. But our teachers constantly helped us regarding whenever there was a difficulty in learning subjects, or some of the faculty were left to join somewhere else when they got better opportunities. But the faculties which still were there, they helped us a lot, and almost all the topics were covered. I've never seen such a world-class uh, labs in other institutes. I've seen a number of institutes. I've been working in uh, few institutes, but being a new institute at that time and having such lab facilities was great. Number of institute manages by whatever facilities they have, but I think my friends can agree with my point that uh, at all new semesters, all the required labs were set up, and it was no compromise was done regarding our learning. So we can also at the present time we can see that our friends have reached a number of positions just because of the standard set up by the institute and the quality which is imparted upon us by the excellent faculties. Our friends are in IITs, NITs, they are working in ISROs, uh, they're working in a number of major IT companies, major construction companies, and many state and central government institutions. We had never thought that we are going to reach there, but see, we have reached here. So all thanks to my faculties and all the lab technicians, the management staff. I want to heartily thank all of them. Now, the main advantage, the main strong points of the SIM is we have quality faculties, the labs. Now, as we have become 10 years old, I think we have set up, SIM was set up in 2009 and 10, so we are already 10 years old. So we have strong force of alumni. There, I want to share my experience. I had met a faculty who had studied in Tokyo Institute of Technology. He told me once that the student of that institute had nothing to worry about their future because the alumni of that institute were spread throughout Japan, and uh, since they were spread all around Japan, and the institute was also giving quality education, therefore student didn't have to worry about their jobs. They were easily absorbed in the organizations throughout the country because of the alumni. So I think we need to harness this advantage for SIM also. Since we have already reached 10 years, we have 5 to 6 batches of alumni. We have which has been which are working on number of organizations throughout the country. So we together can take SIM to a next level if we work together. And I think we need to harness this in a much better way. So I appreciate the initiative of Professor Nagarajan sir, Principal sir, to uh, to bring up this initiative. I also think that what we need to work upon is being one of the few engineering colleges in North Bengal where major industrial hubs are not available. Uh, Industrial, it is not very industrially strong area, as well as IT hubs are not there. So we need, our student has everything, but we need there is lack of exposure, which can be attained by serious collaboration with uh, companies and providing better internships. I hope our uh, placement teams are working upon them day and night, but still I think that is the thing. If we focus to build up, our institute can reach a much greater height. So to end with this, I want to highlight that we need to constantly put effort, and as the way we are working, the way our faculties are working, if we also support from our behalf, we as alumni also, if we give back what we have received, our institute can reach greater height, and that will be a perfect return of what we have got from our institute. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, all of you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, Ravikant.
Ravikant. Thank you, Ravikant, for enlightening this session with your nice thoughts and words. Now I would request, okay, before that, Principal Sir has requested me to make an announcement that if possible, alumni can bring their family on screen. I just remembered it after seeing my son over here. So it's a request to all the alumni. If alumni want to bring their family on the screen, they can. Then we will have a
I'm not
meeting.
only alumni, even faculty also, if possible. It is like, alumni come family get together.
Yes. So you all have heard that. So now I would move on to the next program. That is, I would request Professor Esa Naha, HOD Mechanical Department, to introduce our chief guest, Mr. Milan Mandal. Naha sir, over to you.
Thank you, Avisha ma'am. Good evening, everyone. I extend warm welcome to all of you at the second online alumni meet of SIEM. It's my pleasure to introduce today's chief guest, Mr. Milan Mandal, who is also an alumnus of this institute. Mr. Milan Mandal belongs to the first batch of Mechanical Engineering Department of SIEM. After completing his BTech from our institute, Mr. Mandal joined IIT ISM Dhanbad for his MTech course. After attaining MTech degree, he joined PhD program in IIT ISM Dhanbad, and currently he is pursuing his PhD in petroleum engineering. His research topic is studies on formulation of stable nano composite hydrogel systems for water shut-off jobs in oil and gas wells to improve oil and gas recovery. For the benefit of our present students, Mr. Milan Mandal also delivered a lecture in one of the alumni webinars organized by the department. On behalf of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, I appreciate and acknowledge his contribution for the betterment of his alma mater, and wish him success in his life. I also sincerely wish that other alumni also will come forward like Milan Mandal to improve the standard of their alma mater. I now invite Milan Mandal to say few words. Over to you, Milan.
Thank you, sir. Good evening to all the faculties, all the dear juniors and my batchmates. First of all, I thank to Principal Sir, Naha Sir, and Sudipto Sir for giving me this opportunity. I really feel deeply honored for this. for this opportunity. And the scenario is like that. Since it's 10 years past, but even though I'm feeling nervous in front of my faculties and all my senior faculties, the same scenario is still like that. Even though I have taught, means I have worked as assistant professor for 2 years in national level colleges, but then also this nervousness with your faculty when you are student is same as 10 years back. So now, actually, since I agree with Srivastav that sorry, complete name. Okay, Ravi Srivastav. I completely agree with Ravi Srivastav that means the way our college has developed lab is means it is unique level and it is at par with IITs. I truly agree with this. When I was in BTech first year in 2009, means at that time the lab that college is newly, even though that they have developed that lab in such a way that when I passed out from that college and when I come here to IIT, means I was truly amazed that that new college has developed lab at so much level and means at that par of IIT. So I feel deeply lucky that that college has given me so much discipline, strength, and mental ability to survive in the toughest condition. And all the Ritam Datta and Aha sir and Avipsa ma'am can feel that pressure in 2009 and 2010, what used to be in the first batch of SIM. Means that pressure has not, means if I say that pressure has not broken us, but that pressure has already molded us in such a way that we can handle now any situation cool and calm way, without any without taking any hasty step. We can control that any rough situations, because the way we got molded in first years in 2009 and 10, that's means really that that has brought very what I say, very that kind of capacity that you can deal any situation. Okay, and I'm saying it just because that quality is very important for any student, because after means in every stage of life you will have to handle pressure. So if you escape from the pressure, then you will not achieve anything what you want. But if you have that capacity to handle or sustain that pressure only, then you will definitely achieve your goal, what you want to do. So that's what I want to say to my juniors. Never escape from your from that stress, from that pressure, because if you escape from that scenario, you will never get what you desire. Okay, you will get something, but if you desire, means if you have quality to achieve some upper level, you will not achieve that level. So please face to your stress, face to your problems, and withstand in that scenario. But however, stress management is equally important. So this stress management is you can also get from your good quality circle. So I will suggest that you will maintain your good quality circle, so that you can handle that stress in your life, because that good quality circle is very important. So for means in your college life and also in professional life also. Cut off your negative surrounding, because negative surrounding people will never appreciate your work, and they will always find some excuse in a situation where some good can happen, but their excuse and their negative thoughts will always lead you to negative path. So my suggestion to all the juniors: cut off your negative threats, cut off your negative, that means negative people who never appreciate you or who never encourage you to the direction which you want to go. Because the society is like that. When you do something new or very less people will trust you or believe in you that you can do it. If you have a circle of 50, you can see that only 2 to 3 or maximum 5 people can match your frequency, and they have that belief in you that you can do it. But rest 45 will either discourage you or either derail your path with some suggestions, and that's at point of time that suggestion you will feel that the suggestion of the negative people is very relevant to you because it fits your comfort level. But I will suggest that don't fit yourself in a comfort level, because right now if you fit yourself in a comfort level, then this comfort level will ultimately you have to pay for it in very hard way. So come out from the comfort level and cut off your negative surrounding. Then you can achieve anything. Trust me, and I have that good experience with that. Okay. And rest is that I really thanks to my batchmate, that positive people who always encouraged me to do to do good things in life and to achieve your goals, and due to my, and also the faculties. Obviously the role of faculty is very important to encourage any student, because you know what, even your parents can't say where my son and daughter will go. But if you give your 4-year dedicated to any faculty, they will definitely can see that X factor in you, and they will positively help you to promote and to achieve good things in your life. So be genuine to your faculty. Don't cheat faculty in means in the sense way. Do clear your basics. Do clear your study related. Be genuine to your study related things. Okay, in front of a faculty, never cheat them means it is means just it's an exam like that. It's an exam, just copy and paste, give exam and all that. And but through that you can achieve good marks. But you know what, good marks is merely a criteria. But to struggle in your life, to achieve a point, to compete the competition, you need that quality which you can absorb from the faculty and from the teaching what faculty give to you. Because this marks will never marks never suggest anyone, marks never predict someone's career, someone's success is all that. So your effort mainly matters. Okay, so the students or the junior who are scoring less marks, never discourage yourself or never compare yourself from the student who are getting 8-pointer or 9-pointer like that, that they will secure life positive way, or they will get good job. It's not like that. The scenario is like that. After that, that 4 year is equal for all the student. But after that, after when you come out from that campus, then your actual competition start. Okay, so this marks is a criteria for qualifying something, but to achieve something in life, you have to have that qualities which a positive people have. Okay, so never discourage yourself with the minimum marks on all that. So bring almost 6.5 and almost, that's okay for any eligibility in any institution, in any government job and all like that. So don't discourage yourself. I have seen my batchmates in 2009 in various students who have secured less than 6.5. Okay, but they are now in reputed positions in after 10 years. And I have seen also some students who are very good students who had who have scored very good marks. But if I compare from that, so they are not at that position which were thought at that time that this guy will go to that position. Okay, so that's what I want to say. And you should maintain that bond of senior junior bond, because you go anywhere, this alumni matters. Okay. So it's a responsibility to all the students who are the present student, all who have passed from this institution. Is a responsibility to all the students to maintain the respect of this institution wherever you go. Because if one faculty, if one alumni do good in any company, then that college get a respect, and if any fellow junior comes to that institution or into to that company, people will see you in a respect. So it's a responsibility to all the pass outs and all the current students who are pursuing their BTech in that college to behave in wherever you go, wherever any institution you go, in training, in your vocational training or wherever you go, you maintain that decency and the reputation of your college, because ultimately the reputation of college matters. And you feel proud if someone says, oh, you are coming from SIM, it's a very good college. That's the real achievement. That can not be meet anything. If someone appreciate you like that way, that you are from SIM, and if your fellow juniors get appreciation from that, then he or she also appreciate that our senior must have done some good things, then that's why we are getting that appreciation. So from my end, that much I want to say. And once again, I wish all to the juniors, my fellow juniors, best of luck and achieve good things and achieve whatever you want to do. But please be disciplined and always respect your teacher. Don't disrespect your teacher. If you respect your teacher, you will definitely go to the good positions, and you will get a good friend when you are down in life. So that's from my end. Thank you.
Thank you, Milan. I must appreciate your thought and recognizing one faculty's effort to build a student. So with that good note, I would move on to the next program. Now, this is the time for honoring our distinguished alumni awardees by respective HODs. So I'd request Ritam sir, can you start the
Yes, madam.
session?
Yes, madam. Yes. For that, principal sir, can I share the slides? Can I share the slides, principal sir?
I think sir got disconnected.
Sir, your mic.
Sir, mic is mute, sir.
Ritam, I have given you co-host privilege.
Yes. Okay, sir. Okay.
Share the screen.
Okay, sir. I am sharing my screen then, and please see whether it can be visible or not. Because this time we tried to put it a little bit of.
Go for slideshow. Go for
Yeah.
slideshow.
First of all, I would request Tapan Sen sir, Professor Tapan Sen sir, to honor the Distinguished Alumni Award of your department, Civil Engineering Department.
Thank you, Ravisha ma'am. Good evening to everybody. This is the second alumni meet. In the first alumni meet, on the basis of the nominations received in the first alumni, and then recommended by the committee, we had given the best or the distinguished alumni to our chief guest from the civil engineering department, or the civil engineering discipline rather, Mr. Ravikant Srivastav. And the second alumni meet, we received so many nominations, and out of all these nominations, there was a committee. There is a committee, and as recommended by the committee, on the basis of the nomination received from the alumni, we had chosen, or we had decided to give two distinguished alumni from each department. From the civil engineering department, Mr. Vishal Singh is the same batch of Ravikant Srivastav, our chief guest. Vishal actually, after completing graduation from SIM, Vishal joined with Bajaj Institute in Diamond Harbour, and then from there he joined KIIT in Bhubaneswar, and from there he completed post-graduation, and after that Vishal joined Bates Pilani, research scholar, doing his PhD. The same what I was telling while introducing Ravikant also, that the batch is very good students we got. And after that also, the consecutive years, we got very good students, very good batch. The Vishal also is one of them. They very good. He is also he belongs to North Bengal, like Ravikant. He's from Kuch Bihar. On behalf of the SIM management, SIM family, and I welcome Vishal Singh, and I announce the distinguished alumni, the first distinguished alumni from the Civil Engineering Department, Mr. Vishal Singh. And on this auspicious day, this award is being given to Mr. Vishal Singh, this distinguished alumni. Thank you, Vishal.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, Vishal.
Thank you, ma'am.
So please go for the next award.
Next, alumni meet, distinguished alumni. For the second alumni meet, I proudly announce from the Civil Engineering Department, of the Civil Engineering discipline, on behalf of the SIM management, SIM family, I announce this distinguished alumni award to Mr. Shubham Ghosh.
Congratulations, Shubham.
Congratulations,
Thank you, sir.
And his background, he is a 2011-2015 batch, and after completing graduation, he completed his post-graduation from KIIT in the same batch with Vishal, and presently he is a research scholar in Silchar NIT, pursuing his PhD. He's a very good student. He's a very good track record, and it's my privilege, and I proudly announce from the Civil Engineering Department of the Civil Engineering discipline is a second alumni, distinguished alumni to Shubham Ghosh. Thank you, Shubham. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, Shubham.
Thank you, ma'am.
With that, we
Thank you,
will
sir.
move on to our next department. I request Dr. Papri Ghosh ma'am to honor the Distinguished Alumni Award. Ritam sir. Yeah, Papri ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, everyone present over there. I'm Dr. Papri Ghosh. On behalf of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, welcome you all to the prestigious event of Alma Mater 2.0 from the Surendra Institute of Engineering and Management, Siliguri. I'm very happy to recall those golden days when I spent a lot of time with my gorgeous students, whom I can see now as a glorious part of many organizations. Maybe I forget the first lecture with you, but I recall the journey with you all for the 4 years. And yes, still I remember the tears that come every year when you leave us. Anyway, this is not the time of express our emotions of any sorrowness. This is the time to announce the names of the distinguished alumni of Alma Mater 2.0 from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Many resumes we have received as of now, and trust me, I was very happy to read all your CVs that reflects not only your success, that reflects our success to see you all more, all more successful. But yes, there are a constraint to select only 2 names per department by the panel members based on some criterion. And now I'm going to announce those names. The first distinguished alumni is from the 2014 pass out batch. He has been associated with InSync TechFin Solutions as a trainee software engineer. Then he has been associated with T-Box as a software engineer, and now he is working in GoIBibo Bangalore as a senior software engineer. He is none other than Mr. Ankit Jhunjhunwala. Congratulations, Ankit. Ankit is there?
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, Ankit.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Ankit, for your award. Okay. And now I would like to announce the second name. The second distinguished alumni is from the 2015 pass out batch. She has been associated with Neosoft Technologies as a test engineer, and then she has been associated with Quality Kiosk as performance test engineer. And now she is working in Capgemini as an associate consultant. Not only this, I always liked her curly hair and cute smile. She is Miss Nicey Elizabeth Matthew. Congratulations, Nicey. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Nicey, again of being Ankit and Nicey. Both of you were there in our heart. And congratulations, both of you, for the alumni, Distinguished Alumni Award. But yes, I'd like to say the rest of the students who has submitted their CVs to us, it is not like that you are not eligible for that. You try for the next alumni. We will look forward it for the next alumni meet when we will organize it. And do not think that you are not good. You are also good, but based on some criteria, based on the panel members panel members' decisions, we only could select only 2 names. So do not be sorrow. And next, we will look forward it. And I again congratulate the other distinguished alumni also for your award. Thank you so much. Thank you, Avisha ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. So congratulations to Nicey and Ankit. With that, I'll move on to the next department. Naha sir, this is time for honoring your departmental student.
Okay, thank you, Avisha. So I'm back again to declare the names of the distinguished alumni from the Department of Mechanical Engineering. We received many nominations for this award, and after considering all these nominations, the selection committee has given their verdict, and result is with me now. In this edition of Alumni Meet, we are awarding 2 awards, 2 distinguished alumni awards. Okay. From our first batch, the first award goes to Mr. Ravi Ranjan Kumar, who is at present working in Gun and Shell Factory, Kosepur. Congratulations, Ravi.
Congratulations, Ravi.
Congratulations, Ravi Ranjan.
Ravi, can you? He was there. So
he was there. Naha sir, he was there. Maybe he got disconnected.
He was there.
To Mr. Ravi Ranjan Kumar.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Ravi.
Okay. Let us move on. From the 4th batch, the second award goes to Mr. Suman De, who is at present pursuing his PhD in KIIT Bhubaneswar. Congratulations, Suman.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So that, so Avisha ma'am, let us move on to the next department.
Yes, absolutely. So our next department is Electrical Engineering Department, and for that I'd request Mr. Shubhadeep Shaha, HOD EE. Sir, kindly honor your distinguished alumni.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, sir, absolutely fine.
Okay. So I feel deeply honored to be sitting here and I can say that we have got so many nominations from the electrical engineering department, and I could remember that you have did a hard work to get your goals. Okay, so by the selecting committee, we have selected two alumni students. Number one is Shuchishmita Maiti. She is 2014 pass out batch. 2014 14 pass out batch, and presently she is working in Accenture as application development team lead. Congratulations, Shuchishmita.
Congrats.
And
Congratulations, Shuchishmita.
Thank you, everyone.
and hopefully we expect campusing from your side, from
Yes, yes.
Accenture in the coming days.
I'll try my best.
Yeah, do recruit.
Thank you
Yes.
so much.
Definitely, you have to do you for your juniors.
Yes, I'll of course.
Okay, and coming to the next, our next distinguished alumni goes to Miss Shreyoshi Bhattacharya. Miss Shreyoshi Bhattacharya. She is
Thank you,
also passed out in the year 2014, and she is presently working in Indian Railways as senior section engineer. So congratulations, Shreyoshi.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Excellent.
Okay, over to Abhisha madam.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Once again, congratulate Shuchishmita and Shreyoshi for your
Thank you, ma'am.
achievement. We are so proud to have you here. Next, I'll move on to our own department, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department. So, Ritam sir, kindly do the honor to our alumni.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to do the honors. As you all know that we are lucky to have so much nominations, and our principal sir has just was discussing prior to this meeting that our alumni are so they're so active, and then they all ready to participate in this meet. So it is not that only the awards can make someone apart from the league, you all are there, the gold dust of our heart. So without wasting much of a delay, I would like to announce the person who has been there passing out in 2015, and she has got worked with IBM with many of the years, and now she is serving Royal Bank of Scotland. So I am sharing the slide. Congratulations, Neha. Miss Neha
Thank you.
Agarwal.
Congratulations,
Thank
Neha.
you, sir. Thank you.
And other alumni awardee, because this version we are putting it to. So the other version, the other member is Miss Shreya Das from all the nominations what we achieved. So congratulations, Miss Shreya.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So both of you, very, very much congratulations for getting this. And with this, I would like to, give it to Abhisha ma'am. You can take forward.
Okay, once again, I take this opportunity to congratulate all my dear alumni
Yes.
for getting this achievement, the Distinguished Alumni Award, and especially Milan and Ravikant Srivastava for sharing your views and enlightening the session. And afterwards, I'll move on to the next program, that is, I'd request our IIPC head, Mr. Rupak Das, to address the session. Mr. Rupak Das, are you there?
He's there.
Thank you, Abhisha ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you, distinguished alumni, and it's a great opportunity for me to be in this gathering. And first and foremost thing, from IIPC cell, I think a very new. Prior to me, there was Vinita and Abhishek. So I'm sure 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19 are the ones who have seen them. And so now I'm in the phase, probably I'm very new to everyone. but the achievement what you have obtained, and that is the remaining for the institution forever. And just to sum up, without taking too much of your time, we are moving forward for a NAC accreditation, and your support is will be rememberable to everyone by supporting your offer letters of the organizations where you have been working right away. So this can definitely support in order to take forward a one step, to make the milestone image of this institution and a much better scale altogether. And as Sir mentioned very clearly that it's a high time, and you've been with some of the prestigious organization, which I can see is someone working with Accenture, some with IBM, and even with some many more. So during this pandemic hour, okay, just giving us one intimation could definitely support the youngsters to take forward in making them get a opportunity to take up any kind of the online campusing recruitment drive. So without making rather saying too much, it really makes proud to see the alumni in right now working in few of the topmost organization, and definitely look to see even the youngsters to take and follow your footsteps and shaping of the institution in a much better way. So that's it from my end, and I'm wishing all the best for your upcoming careers in a much better way. And do connect us and do stay connected, and that will help us to remember you. And not only that, but that will help the juniors to be also get some examples which will help to make a better future. Thank you.
Thank you,
Over to
Professor.
Abhiksha, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. So now is the time to get the feedback from our distinguished alumni awardees. So first of all, I would request Vishal Singh from Civil Engineering Department, if you would like to share your thoughts. Vishal, are you there?
Vishal.
Shubham, are you there?
Shubham Ghosh. Vishal Singh.
Move on, ma'am. Move on.
Okay, okay.
Unfortunately, your proxy
So
can't.
from the mechanical department, if we have Ravi Ranjan.
Ravi was there. Where he
Ravi
goes?
Ranjan and Shumon De, would you like to share your thoughts?
Ma'am,
Yes, Shumon, go ahead.
a very good evening to respected principal sir and my respected faculty members. So it's been a long time since we've met, and it's really nice to join in this alumni meet. And I was really privileged that the department has nominated me for this award. But it is just another thing. But main is the thing is that we have been given the opportunity to reminisce our old days, the college days that have gone by, and I still remember the first day of my college. I still remember the first day of my college, and it was really quite a day for me, and all the hardships and everything that the college life has to offer, I've met. And it has been a great journey for me, and I'm really happy and I'm really proud that my alma mater has given me a great foundation so that I can move ahead in my life, and not only the academics but also all the moral values they have instilled in me, the discipline and everything for that. So I'm really thankful to my alma mater SIEM for giving me this opportunity to connect in today's meet. Thank you.
Thank you, Suman. Ravi Ranjan is there? If not, then I will move to the CSE department. I request Ankit. Ankit, are you there? Would you like to share your views?
Hi, ma'am.
Hello, hello, Ankit.
Yeah. So, yes, it's always been great. So I was always very happy working with, I mean, like studying around with SIEM, and yes, teachers have taught a lot. And after that, because of them, it's all I've been able to get the basics, the course very clear. Although I have disturbed my teachers a lot, and I don't think my teachers like me too much, but
Not at all, not at all.
yeah, I know, because I've disturbed them a lot. But yeah, I think at that point as well, you didn't leave me, and you were there to support me, and that is why I'm there where I am. And I guess I am one of the distinguished alumni. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ankit. So, Nicey, are you there? Then we would love to hear from you also.
Hello, everyone. I think it's the memories are still quite fresh. It's by watching every one of you, it's like memories are just coming and going by seeing everybody's faces. I can see my seniors as well as my batchmates here. And thank you, everyone. Thank you for organizing this event. And I'm immensely grateful for this opportunity. But I think my foundation was laid at SIEM. The base for my confidence and that strength that I was provided was through many events that was organized in the campus itself. So yeah, I'm grateful for that, and thank you so much.
Thank you, Nicey. So, my next alumni is from Electrical Department, Sukeshmita. We would love to hear from you also. We have
Ma'am,
lots of
hello,
memories
hello
with you.
everyone. I am first of all, good evening to each and everyone, principals and all my teachers and professors. And now, from where I should start? Okay, so I'm really grateful to have this opportunity, and I'm really grateful to all my teachers and professors that they helped us wherever we are right now. And I have seen so many of our batch associates who have reached extreme heights in their career and have established their names in their respective industries. Thanks to all our respective teachers. Without you, it is not possible to run such a great way. So, thanks to all of you. So, and I have got so many friends. I mean, from here, what I could say, so many friends, juniors, seniors, and Siliguri. It is like my second home right now, like that. So I have received tremendous love from each and everyone. So I would really happy to stay in touch with every single person out there. So thank you so much. Uh, Keep in touch, and thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Shruti. Once again, congratulations. Shreyoshi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Respected principal, sir, professor, senior, and my dear friends. It's like reliving my college days back. I'm really excited, nervous, happy. I don't know, like my first day in college. It's really pleasure, sir and ma'am. I just feel like I'm again in my electrical classes. This is like this is wonderful. Again, I'm just getting control system classes and all. But today it's really a great honor for me that I have been invited to attend the second virtual alumni meet And I'm really happy that I have been awarded with Distinguished Alumnus Award. Uh, One cannot deny that the fact that the good educational organization plays a vital role in a student's life, and our college comes in good educational qualification. Little I know when I joined this college that this will build a great foundation to overcome the competition in coming world. Really, I didn't expect anything, but our teacher, they just helped us a lot. They all have cleared my concept, they especially my core subjects, because this is the main thing we need to clear to go ahead in competitive field. This is the main subjects, and I'm really grateful and thankful to my college, to my teachers. They have built me what I am today. It's all because of the organization, faculty members, and my teachers. Thank you.
Thank you, Shirshi. Thank you so much. So from our ISE department, I request Neha. Would you like to share your thoughts?
Very good evening, respected principal sir, all my dear faculty members, my juniors, seniors, and all my friends there. It gives immense pleasure to be acknowledged on a platform, to be awarded as a distinguished alumni. Thank you to each and every one. What I would want to say as a feedback, as a view, as a past memory, first thing, now coming on this platform, organizing SIM, organizing an alumni meet itself is such a wonderful thing that gives us an opportunity to reconnect. Like, we as students, we also want to give back to our college. There are so many things we want to share with our college, our juniors. So the concept with which SIM came up, I would like to really appreciate that. This is something that has given us the foundation now to reconnect and be in touch with everybody again. People who had somehow got lost and not in touch, we are there back. I would like to tell the current students that our college, we were the students who were in the initial phases of the college when the college was being framed. So the college, during that itself, the college provided us facilities like a wonderful lab, and then there were facilities like there were a lot of activities which we got to participate in. There was IIT Guwahati organizing Alacrity. We had Alfresco in our college. So participating in so many activities, we come to college to study, definitely, but there is a overall personality grooming, and that was also available there. Definitely now in the next few years, the college has shaped up much more better, and the placements that college had, in fact, I was placed from the college itself. So we had IBM Campus Women's Drive, and that was my first company I got from by participating, by attending that. So I would want to tell the students, first thing, be disciplined. The college definitely will make everybody disciplined. That is for sure, because that 100% attendance which we all wanted, the teachers wanted, if you actually imply that, if you actually abide by that, you see that how your future shapes, it becomes wonderful. Ultimately, we have to become some professional, and even if we are not into the professional field, we are becoming a responsible person. Attending a office or going to a college again as for your future studies, we have to have a full attendance. So attendance, discipline, these are not just words, they were qualities that was inculcated in the college. And we had a wonderful set of teachers, we had a wonderful set of lab. Current students, y'all have all the facilities, and I see the placement is happening more in a better way. Right now there are lots of placement drives happening, so everybody should attend that. And like, this 5 years gap is not being felt at all, that okay, 2015 I passed out and now it's 2020. Coming back on this platform, it feels like, oh, as if I'm back to college and we are all here. We see Suchi, we see Ankit, we see Papri ma'am, Avishna ma'am, everybody's like, now also I can again speak in that same student manner. It really makes you feel back to that student vibe. So it's like very wonderful. And I see Pathak sir, how in my first chemistry lab, I broke my test tube over there. And so it reminds everything now. So I would say that it's an immense pleasure for both the ways, and I would request and I would kind of, it's an appeal to the students, of the current students, make use of this opportunity. There are lots of things happening in the college, and being disciplined, attentive, and being actively participating in things that the college is providing, and asking your faculties will be there. It means it's like their impression will always be there. They are like, when we move from our houses, how we remember our parents, we remember our teachers similarly. There are certain doubts and we remember our teachers. Okay, in that class that thing was discussed, it stays on forever. So we are lucky to be from a college that was being framed with us also in the initial phases, and now we have the alumni forum, and a strong alumni forum will really make a strong college in future. So I would like to thank everybody, and especially my teachers and my faculty members and the principal sir for acknowledging for the alumni award. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sneha. You have again made me nostalgic. I'm sure everyone out here has become nostalgic with your speech. So with that, I move on to Shreya. Shreya, are you there?
Vishal also
If Shreya is not available, then I would request Vishal. I think Vishal is back again, and Shubham is
Vishal is
also.
there. Vishal is there.
Yeah, so
Yes,
we would
ma'am.
have to
Good
yes,
evening to
Vishal.
everyone. Good evening, professors and all my friends. Actually, I'm in planning right now, and by the 7:30, everything got off, so I have to leave the campus. So the problem is right now I have to leave. That's why I was disconnected. Sorry for that. So immediately I got a call from Tapan Sen sir that I have to join. So right now I'm going on the way, sir. So sorry for that interruption. So, and I'm very much thank you for this award which is received from SIM to me. This is the first award actually, which I can say. This is the first award which I have received this time, and really it's an immense pleasure to me to get this award from you, because I was waiting for this award actually. Because yes, I have worked hard, and as my friend Ravikant also said, that the benchmark, the things which is said by SIM being a new college, and the facility which is given to me and given to us at the time was really a matter of means a matter of, you can see, for praising. Actually, I can say this because I have said this recording also. I have set a recording also for this when I was asked from Tapan Sen sir to give a recording on SIM. So from alumni side, so I have said the same thing which Ravikant said. This kind of facility for a new college in a 1 year, and for every semester the lab and all which is given to us was really awesome. Because theoretically it can be get from anything, like we can learn from library, we can learn from home, but when it comes from practical, which is the base of the student, any engineering student, we have received from SIM Siliguri. Really, right now here in BITS Pilani pursuing my PhD, there is something which is given by them only. Otherwise, the base, if the base doesn't get ready, you cannot lift a building. So definitely the base is given by SIM only. And yes, and not only just from civil engineering department, my department sir, like Kamala sir is there, Tapan Sen is there, Sudip sir, Ritam sir, and even Papri ma'am, and everyone has supported. It's not like from civil engineering department, we have got from electrical, electronics, we have got from computer science. Every department supported us. So I cannot give share to just my department. Every department has got that share from my side. Really, I'm very much thankful to you. And please please bless me for this, that I can proceed much forward. And thank you. And I will say pranam to everyone. Pranam. It's a pranam from my side. Thank you.
Lots of ashirwad from our side also, Vishal.
Excellent,
And
Vishal.
best of luck for your future endeavor.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Are you present?
Shubham, are you there? Yeah, we would love to hear from you also.
Shubham. I connected Shubham. I don't know what is the problem. Actually, he is in the defense area, na? He is in Panagarh. It's a defense area. Sometimes net is going out of the problem is there in the defense area.
Can we take any random feedback, Principal sir?
Yeah, we could not take so many people's name over here. So we
Any
would
volunteer can
volunteer.
give.
Yes.
Volunteer is
One or two.
Speak out. Utpal was there, Rajshekhar was there, Shivank Mishra is there, Nobojit is connected with us from the very beginning. Shubham, you are there. So would you like to say something?
Shubham joined public. Shubham.
We can also request Mr. Sumanto Nag, Deputy Registrar, to say a few words to all our alumni.
Sumanto sir, are you there?
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir, absolutely fine.
Sir, are you out?
Hello.
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
Yes, sir, Sumanto sir, you are audible.
I think sir is in road.
The thing is that actually on some very emergency, I had to come out.
Okay.
No problem, sir.
Although I'm online, I had to come out very online. That's why I'm not switching on my video, but I was on, I was listening also. And, but all the same, so, yes, sir. A very good evening to everybody, all the alumni who are present out here. And a very good evening to Principal Sir and all the faculty members. All throughout, I have been listening and it has been very, very nostalgic. As usual, you know, when you go down memory lane, you know, things are always much better because, you know, the present is always very difficult because we can't see the future. But yes, we can always ponder back on the past and actually enjoy the beautiful memories that are there. They are all, you know, embedded with, you know, good as well as, you know, sad memories. But being intelligent, we pick the good ones, you know, to keep ourselves happy. That is to make our present even better, you know, living. And it was so nice to, you know, hear from each and every alumnus out there who spoke, right? And we were being actually thrown back by almost 10 years, you know, 5 to 10 years. That was a wonderful feeling, right? As it was in the first edition, today is the second edition, and we'll have many more such editions to come. And each and every edition, I'm sure, will be an even more enjoyable one. With this, I would like to, you know, just conclude my bit of, I don't know, whatever we call it, lecture or what. But yes, you are always there, will be with us, you know, forever. There is a bond which once established can never be snapped. That's what I believe in. Okay. All the best. Again, once again, we have been wishing you all the best. Again, we wish you all. I wish you all the best in whatever you are doing, in whatever field you are, in whatever you do. Okay. So with that, I would like to, you know, conclude my little bit of, you know, saying for today's meet. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sumanto sir.
Avishwa ma'am, hello, Avishwa ma'am, I'm Shubham. I'm extremely sorry I got disconnected. Actually, I'm staying in a defense area right now, so network is very weak over here.
Okay. No issues.
Shubham, can you say something?
Yeah, sure. Am I audible? Hello?
Absolutely fine, Shubham. Go ahead.
Okay. Good evening, respected principal sir, all the faculty members, my seniors, my dearest seniors, and to all the juniors as well. First of all, I have in these situations, I don't know how to speak or what to say, but SIM has given me a really huge platform. It is a route for me to build my career, and SIM has given me that opportunity to study engineering that I have always dreamed of. So first of all, I would say that in my school days, I used to have stage fear, particularly stage fear, but I don't know how in SIM I got into this stage performances, especially this dance and all. I think Abhipsha ma'am could remember those stage performance. Actually, ma'am, in the very beginning, I was a very shy kind of guy. I don't know, just because of all the support from the teachers and my friends, my seniors, I got that confidence to overcome that fear. So I would not say too much, but I would like to suggest certain things to my juniors, that I have gone through a lot of failures in my life. As Taman sir said that he is proud of me, not because of my success, just because I learned a lot of things from my failures. Even my failures lead me to overcome my fears, mostly the stage fear, then the like how to speak in front of people, and that improved me, I could say that, to reach my goals. So I would like to share a story, small story. One of my relative told me that you are a civil engineer, so you have a lot of government job opportunities. So why don't you go and prepare for those government jobs and all? So I told him that having a government job and getting a government job are two different things. So getting job is not that easy. Nobody's going to come and give you job. So you have to get it. So that will only happen once you have confidence. And I think that we should not waste time on something that we can't do. We should put all our energy on something which we can do and we are passionate about. So that's all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Shubham.
Thank you, Shubham.
Any
Thank you.
other alumni who would like to share their views or thoughts? They can. The platform is open for all.
Any faculty member or any student would like to say a few words?
So it's time for taking
Yeah,
a group photograph with alumni.
Yeah, conclude.
A few boxes are there with the names. You all are good in looking. So please switch on your videos.
We'll have a small virtual group photo. I request you to switch on your videos for a moment.
Our all alumni look good. Please open it. Our Ankit, Ankit, please switch on your video.
I request all the faculty, alumni, and students kindly switch on your video.
Kaushik, Shubhankar, Kajal, Utpal, Roshni, Satyam.
Are we done, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sir, can we proceed for the vote of thanks session?
Yeah.
Okay. So we are at the end of our session. So I request Mr. Shubhadev Shaha, HOD WE Department. Sir, kindly proceed with the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Visha ma'am. Myself, Shubhadev Shah, I am heading the Department of Electrical Engineering, would like to propose the vote of thanks. I would like to thank respected Chairman Sir, Mr. Sharad Agarwal, respected Director Madam, Mrs. Snigdha Agarwal, respected Principal Sir, Dr. S. Nagarajan, for providing such nice online platform for this second virtual alumni meet. I would like to thank all the respected HODs, Professor T.K. Shen, HOD Civil Engineering, Professor S.R. Naha, HOD Mechanical Engineering, Professor Ritam Datta, HOD Electronics and Communication Engineering, and Dr. Papri Ghosh, HOD Computer Science and Engineering, and our Deputy Registrar, Mr. Shumanta Nag sir. And I would like to thank all our chief guest, Mr. Milan Mondal, and Mr. Ravikant Srivastava, who expressed their ideas and shared their memories. And I thank all faculty members and all beloved alumni students for making this second virtual alumni meet successful. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, sir. Sir, we are done with